In GrowUp Business, contact tags let you label your leads and clients so you can categorize them. To create one, go down to Settings, then Tags at the bottom, and click Add New Tag. Just name it. Say you want to mark people who become paying clients. You create a paying client tag so you can put it on new customers and keep everyone organized. Go ahead and create it. Once the tag is created, go back out to your Contacts tab, click on one of your leads, scroll down on the left, and add that paying client tag to them. Now this person is tagged. You can use these tags to filter and find their right people fast later on. You can also create tags right here from the contact. If you do not have one yet, just type it out. Say new leads and click add. That tag is created too, and it shows up back in settings under tags. So you can make tags from your contacts, from your automations, and from other places across GrowUp.